you know what it is?
No, I was smiling.
Oh. Cassie, that's what, honey, Cassie, Nana,
Kayla.
Cassie suggested that you have all those skirts you got from her.
You know what the scissors are? Oh, what age? You know what it is?
Yeah. It'll be
Mommy
nice.
has them.
Mom, can you give me the scissors?
Take a bit. I had a really good Christmas. I love my snowman. This is so cute. I drink some soda.
You want me to get you some?
I don't think we have ice though.
Oh,
We didn't make any ice. Oh.
I'll go make some right now.
Go make some. I can have a big one, but we also have our, what you call it? You can wash our little champagne food trucks.
Yeah.
So we can have cider. And Gabby can have eggnog today.
Yeah.
I know she's been wanting. The headband I got you was really cute.
Thank you.
I got Gabby a couple too. She got the little thin one. I'm sure you guys can like share them.
You've taken a minute and a half trying to open this thing. Okay, now it's officially a minute and a half.
Poor Rocky. I feel bad, but it's getting into everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we get all cleaned up, we can run around.
Sweet.
Oh.
Huge.
Yeah.
You like it, babe?
Yeah.
I thought that was a great find. Look at that.
Yeah, okay.
What'd she get?
Show the camera so they know.
Anatomy for artists.
Ooh. Yeah, she got that. She likes that. Very nice. Okay.